Hi guys, and welcome back to Infallible Cakes and More. Today I have a highly requested video on how to do Jamaican style festival the Hellshire way. Listen, this recipe is foolproof. You can't go wrong with this recipe. If you don't get this recipe right, you can't cook. I'm just kidding. This recipe is authentic, it tastes so great, and you will love it. Please stay tuned and remember to like, comment, share, and subscribe. And let's go cook. For my ingredients, I have salt, baking powder, cornmeal, sugar, all-purpose flour, and water. I have a larger bowl here, and I'm going to sieve my flour, my salt, and my baking powder. Now I'm going to add the sugar and the cornmeal. Whisk those around. Now it's time to add the water, but do not throw all of it in there. Just gradually add, knead, and add as needed. Some flour will call for more water or less water depending on the mill. So I'm just starting off with 1.5 cups of water here. My dough might need more or it might need less. We're looking for a sticky consistency, but not too sticky, and I'll show you in a bit. And there you have it. This sticky but yet pliable texture is what gives your festival that soft, fluffy, nice taste. Now that we're finished kneading the dough, I'm going to cover it with a tea towel to let it rest for 25 minutes. And we do this so that the gluten can relax. My dough has rested, and I have my pot on the stove with some vegetable oil, and it's time for frying. I'm going to take this amount of dough. I'm going to roll it in a sausage. Stretch it. Roll again. Stretch. And then I'm going to place it in my oil. My flame is not too high and it's not too low. It's just right in the middle there. You don't want your flame too high, or else your oil will be too hot, and if your oil is too hot, your festival is going to fry too fast, and then the middle won't be cooked. We don't want them dark brown, we want them golden brown. I'm going to repeat the steps and just fill the pot. You know when it's ready to turn over. When the edges start to get brown, you just flip them over so that they can get golden brown on the other side as well. When they're golden brown on both sides, remove from the pot onto a plate lined with paper towels so that the excess oil can drain. I've repeated the steps, and this is my last batch. I'm frying them golden brown on both sides, then remove them onto the plate that is lined with paper towel. And there you have it, authentic Jamaican Hellshire style festival golden brown, just the way you like it. And I've paired it with some escovitch fish. If you try this recipe, you like it, please comment, share, and subscribe to my channel. I'll see you in my next video. Bye.